Hello all, good morning. Welcome back to my channel, Working Bank Aspirant. Okay guys, coming to day 3 of SBI Clerk pre-examination training study materials explanation. Okay, every day there are four sets we are having: part 1, part 2, part 3, part 4. So part 1 will be always general and financial awareness, and also I just want to give a heads up for you all, and if anybody are simultaneously preparing for the prelims and mains examinations, just only focus on the current affairs for the mains examinations, and please kept aside of remaining subjects, because the current affairs itself having the high weightage of 60 marks. So that is the reason, please go with the prelims and current affairs of mains, it will be very good. And also just and in the month of February, I'm also focusing on current affairs too, along with the pre-examination preparation. Okay guys, and also one most important point is on Feb 1st we are there is an announcement of union budget of 2025, right? So please go through the videos of union budget. There are high chances of having questions are coming from the union budget, so you should not miss any one question that is coming from the union budget. So please go through the union budget which has been released. There are some important of 16 pages which I'm going to share it in the Telegram channel. Please find it, and please just when you are having free time after giving the marks of prelims, just go through that, and that's it. On a daily basis, just go through one video, that's it, of current affairs will be enough during these prelims. Once after the prelims, I'll let you know, and I'll make videos on the preparation of mains examination. Okay guys, coming to the study materials and coming to the explanation part, this is a general awareness. So there is not much of saying about the general awareness, because this is the data which has been given by the SBI. It is of last year's 2024. They have just given what I can say for the reference purpose only. This is not these kind of questions only we will get. No, it is the myth, so we will not get any questions which are available in the study materials. It is totally different. Okay guys, so if there are chance of having union budget questions, and also please try to prepare Jan, Feb, March and April, these 4 months of current affairs. That's it. Okay guys, there is not much of saying about this. And coming to the next quantitative aptitude, so I'm providing all these materials in my Telegram channel, right? So please go to the please go through these PDFs, and also if you find it level of pre-level question, please go and solve it. That's it. Take pen, book and paper, pen and paper, and that's it. Please try to solve, because the explanation also clearly given here itself. So here I'll generally go to some of the questions. It will be very useful for you. Here they have given the number series question, which is wrong number. So here they have been given right. There is a gap of 2. Here 6. So here the pattern will be 1 into 2, 2 into 3. There is a sequence of numbers which is getting multiplied. Okay, here also they have given some patterns. So there are some patterns. If you'll practice more number of questions, you will get to know easily by seeing the question itself. Okay, there is a prime number pattern, multiplication pattern, so there are number of patterns will be there. And then this question will be the okay profit and loss, which is related to the discounts. Mm, and also it is related to the capital profit and loss itself. It is quadratic equations. And the last year I have seen the analysis some of the videos. I want to know that the quadratic equations questions has been not given in single set also, but don't feel that you will not get that kind of questions, because in pre-examination materials they have clearly given the quadratic questions. So we may expect the quadratic type of questions we can get in this pre-examination, guys. Okay, here we are having some kind of questions, and also allegations and mixture, and there is a number problems on number questions, and also DI here they have been given. So please go through these questions, and also another give DI they have been given. Prelims plus mains, the combination of questions will be there here. Okay, then coming to the reasoning. So here they directly give the sitting arrangements, or the reasoning will be the same, where we can say the puzzle, sitting arrangements, and also it is alphanumeric series, so we can expect questions definitely. Uh, and here you can see there is random related to the questions like this, but it might not come to this. in reasoning part, but they have been given. So please don't blindly follow this. Just go through this PDF. That's it. And also related to alphabets. Here, alphabet series they have been given. So how many questions are there? There are overall 50 questions are there, and the answers itself given near in the sheet itself. So please go through that all kind of questions. Then final part will be, okay, 1 minute guys. Okay, there is a miss, so that is the reason I have opened it clearly. Here you can see guys, this is the model paper, or what I can say, English model paper for the English examination, English section. So first is reading comprehension. We are all know about that. There is misspelled, grammatically incorrect, and there is a jumbling of all these things. So we need to arrange it in a correct sequence. Just fillers, double fillers types. So here the answers they have been given. So guys, please just go through these PDFs. That's it. Don't give your most of the time to these PDFs. Just give some when you are free. Just open Telegram. Just click on that PDF and just go to the PDFs. That's it. And please more focus on mock test and analysis, and just on a daily basis just go to the one section of PDF. That's it. Okay guys, I think this video is helpful for you all, and thank you for all the positive responses. I'm seeing so many comments regarding this pre-examination training, and also I'm trying to resolve all your doubts there itself, if possible. If not, I'm making a video on that, no issues on that. And so many people are not able to find my Telegram channel, right? So I have already made a short on that. Please go and find Telegram channel link there. Otherwise, if possible, I'll provide a Telegram channel link in this description itself. And please utilize opportunity and give your best and make your parents proud, guys. Proud, and also be an independent person, guys. That's it. And thank you for watching this video, and please, if anybody are new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe guys. Thank you.